how to add your signature to a PDF document. So if you want to go and add your own digital signature to a PDF file, then I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, all you need to do is first go and load up an internet browser like this. You can then type in PDF Adobe Sign and press enter. Now scroll down the page and you'll need to click on the official Adobe website and it should say sign PDFs with a free PDF form filler. Now once you're on the website, click select a file and then just go and select your PDF document. You can then give that a couple of seconds while it uploads to the website. And just bear in mind, you may need to create a free account before you can go and sign in to the page. Now, once you're signed in to your free Adobe account, you'll see this window here. And if you go and click on Tools at the top of the page, in the left-hand side, you'll see the option for Add Your Signature or Initials. And then what you can do is go and create your signature by clicking the Edit button. And then you can either go and type in your name like this, or you can also draw your signature like so. Now, once you're finished, just press the Save button. And then what we can do is we can go and select on the form where we want to add this signature to. Once it's been added, you can also resize it like so. And you can also use this to add your initials to a signature as well. Now, once you've added your signature, click on the download button at the top of the page. You can then select this PDF and press download. Once it's finished downloading, head over to your downloads folder and you can open up the PDF file. And here you can see is the document now with our added signature.